Welcome to the Vitagene at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. Vitagene is a unique DNA testing service tailored for individuals who want to combine genetic insights with actionable health and wellness recommendations. Unlike many ancestry-focused kits, Vitagene emphasizes personal health optimization by offering diet, fitness, and supplementation advice based on your genetic profile. The Vitagene process is straightforward. You start by ordering the kit, collecting a saliva sample using the provided tube, and mailing it back. Results are delivered online in about 4 to 6 weeks. The standout feature is the comprehensive wellness report, which provides personalized recommendations for diet adjustments, exercise plans, and supplements that align with your genetic makeup. For example, you might discover sensitivities to certain foods like gluten or lactose, enabling you to make better dietary choices. Vitagene's reports also include ancestry insights, though they're less detailed compared to ancestry-focused kits like 23andMe or Ancestry DNA. However, its wellness-first approach sets it apart. The platform integrates genetic data with your lifestyle and health history to create actionable advice. Users can also access supplementary tools such as a DNA-based skincare report, offering suggestions on the best products and practices for your skin type. Who is this kit for? Vitagene is ideal for health-conscious individuals looking to optimize their lifestyle based on genetic insights. Whether you're trying to manage weight, improve fitness, or refine your supplementation routine, this kit provides a science-backed roadmap. It's also a great fit for those curious about their ancestry but don't need in-depth lineage details. In summary, Vitagene bridges the gap between genetics and personalized wellness. Its holistic approach, combining health, fitness, and ancestry insights, makes it a valuable tool for anyone focused on improving their overall well-being. If you're ready to take a DNA-driven approach to health, Vitagene might be the perfect starting point. Check out the links in the description to learn more or get started.